Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install mods for Mecha Chameleon using the Steam Workshop. If you want to add new maps, content, or other community-created add-ons to the game, just follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First, open Steam. Go to your library and select Mecha Chameleon. Next, click on Workshop. This will open the Steam Workshop page for the game. Now browse through the available add-ons until you find one you'd like to install. Once you've found a mod you want, click on it. Then press the subscribe button. Steam will automatically begin downloading and installing the add-on. Wait for the installation to finish before continuing. Once the download is complete, go back to your library. Select Mecha Chameleon and launch the game. When you reach the main menu, click Find Server. Then select Find Private Server. Your installed Workshop add-ons should now appear in the list automatically. From here, you can start using your downloaded mods. That's all there is to it. You have successfully downloaded and installed mods for Mecha Chameleon using the Steam Workshop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Mecha Chameleon tutorials